Hello, my crypto fam, and welcome back to the Crypto Show. Where the crowd chases hype coins right now and the next 100x gamble, smart money is quietly moving in a different direction. Real world assets, namely tokenized versions of real yield generating assets, are not the future. They're right now the present, guys. And we need to use the present right now because we are all living in the present. And Flexafina also. And with that, Flexafina is leading the charge. Definitely, guys, let's dive in. I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. Tokenization is transforming global finance. Just look at the numbers, guys. The global securities market is 255 trillion, but only 28.6 billion right now is used as a collateral. Right now, the real world assets are projected to reach between 10 and 16 trillion yes, guys, dollars by 2030. Blockchain could cut between 15 and 20 billion dollars in costs yearly by automating traditional financial systems. What does that mean for investors, guys, like you right now? Real-world assets tokens, guys, unlock transparency, global access, liquidity, and with platforms like Flexafina right now, even passive income with that. Overall, real-world assets aren't a trend right now. They're a financial shift, I would say. And right now, the token of this massive project, namely XAFI, is the symbol of the token, namely the heart of this ecosystem. Flexafina gives you a front row seat. So the first of all, guys, what is Flexafina? You need to remember right now. The Flexafina is next generation layer 1 blockchain built to tokenize real estate, cold art, and more than that. The platform right now is powered by XAFI, namely this is the token, and it's designed for zero transaction fees, high yield staking out there, early access to tokenization projects, buyback and burn mechanisms to increase token value, and more than that. Right now, this isn't just another DeFi play, this is a regulated, real-world investing made accessible via blockchain over here. Overall, you'll see, guys, in this video that right now, the XAFI token right now isn't a gamble. Right now, it's an investment in the infrastructure of tomorrow's finance. We have massive benefits one more time over here at the project, guys, but some of them are namely the benefits of the token. We have zero transaction fees, guys, namely you can keep your profits. Also with the token, guys, you can get priority access to high quality real world asset project. Also right now you can stake, namely you can get staking rewards as adoption grows, and also we have buy and burn mechanism named deflationary design for us, and with that we can also see early profit payouts, naming that's for us right now unmatched flexibility. And remember, guys, what is right now very important, as you can see also over here at Tokenomics, that there is no right now team tokens. Everything is right now for the community. With the real assets backing the vision and community first design, XAFI is set to outperform everyone out there, in my humble opinion. Alright, as you can see over here, total supply of 5 billion tokens. We can see, guys, a long-term made IOC tokenomics. That is something what we are all waiting and trying for. And they're right now operating on the ERC20, namely on Ethereum blockchain. On the bottom side, you can, guys, check out the facts and also other important things. But the higher recommendation over here is to dive deeper in over here into the white paper, and of course on that way expand your knowledge about Flexafina and this massive ecosystem over here. Over here, guys, this is their pre-sale. Namely, I want to show you guys right now how to buy. First of all, you need to head over here to flexafina.com. Every link is found in the description box down below. After that, guys, as you can see over here, right now we have a current stage, and right now the price is only 0.204, and the next stage will be price increase. Then we're going to get a price appreciation. That means for us right now is the best possible moment for us to get this token for the lowest price ever. Right now they have raised more than $500,000, which is really messy, and they have sold a lot of tokens. Right now you can over here connect your wallet. As you can see, wallet connect, Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Make sure to have some Ethereum on your wallet, guys. As always, you can buy it on some exchanges out there via cross-chain swap, and after that, guys, secure some of their wallet. After that, guys, you just need to enter the asset that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum USDT, or here the amount that you want to buy with, for example, at 2, and over here you can see how many tokens you're going to receive. After that, just guys, follow the prompts, follow the steps, and you're in really easily. If you're not sure, guys, you can over here click on how to buy, and as you can see, and you have 6 simple steps how to buy the token, something what I have already explained you. But if you're not sure, guys, click over here, and on that way I think you're covered with the I would say options how to buy the token really easily. Also guys, what is right now really important to mention beside the token and beside everything right now, the equal listing guys, you can guys check it out over here on CoinSniper, CoinMooner, CoinBoom, GamesRadar, and more verify Flexafina's credibility. But I'm over here on the Crunchbase where I want to show right now how much have been invested over here so far into the Flexafina guys, so much money. As you can see right now, they are in their Series R round and they have raised, namely right now has been invested in the project about $3 million, as you can see with your own eyes over here with the Crunchbase. And right now guys, the hit score is also great as the growth score. On that way right now, showing that right now Flexafina is very featured guys from the biggest names out there, for the most powerful people guys, and the best crypto portals. Definitely guys, check it out. It will be found in the description box down below. And as well guys, on that way I would say right now at this price over here, XAFI is heavily undervalued for real guys. The best time to join is before the market wakes up after that. Also guys, I can mention buyback mechanism, namely when you click over here on the referral, right now you can get 10% USDT cashback guys if you right now invite your old friends after. First of all, over here you can increase your revenue in 3 quick steps. You need to copy a unique referral, send it guys, namely when you content sign up you will earn a share of their earnings and you can earn 10% from every sale participant guys instantly to your wallet. Just click over here in referral in a collab network. You will be redirected over here to collab.network. And right now, click over here on best cashback, find a Flexafina over here, as you can see this is the XAFI, and just connect your wallet guys in the top right corner. After guys, you will see over here the option, namely, you will see the option guys over here to get your link. After that guys, just copy that link and send it to your friends. And that is really easy. On that way you can right now create some massive earnings beside everything. Right now, Flexafina has already raised 6 million in Series A from investors like Bitscale Capital, guys. You can check it out here on the Web3 wire. Right now, this is really massive, as you can see right now, led by Notorious. This is right now the prominent venture capital. On that way, guys, you can see, I must say one more time the value of the Flexafina over here at these two articles. Everything will be found one more time in the description box down below. Also, right now, they were being really featured, guys, on the portals like Crypto Insight over here, guys, Cointelegraph, namely guys, Web3 Wire, one more time CoinDesk, and also right now audit is done by CoinSalt and backed by real investors. As you can see right now, this is I would say this is not a paper project, this is the real deal over here, because Flexafina has all the marks of the serious real world leader in my humble opinion. You can also guys check out here on Twitter, namely X. When you guys search over here for XAFI, you can see guys the biggest crypto ports, the biggest crypto names are talking about XAFI right now. This is right really huge guys, the biggest crypto influencers and the biggest people out there. On that way showing me that right now Flexafina is really serious. Also you can follow them working on the X and Twitter, as you can see, as I'm already guys, so you can be stay updated and for everything that is happening in the project. Also join the Telegram, as you can see, for the biggest discussions with the best people out there. Well guys, and wrap it up and sum it up, are you still holding the rest meme coins? If yes guys, right now think about it of the XAFI, namely Flexafina, because right now this gives you long-term value from real world assets, staking income guys while you hodl and enter in the biggest financial trend of the decade. The pre-sale is right now live now. Don't wait for the price to jump guys. Think about it after you need the research guys to get in if you want, of course, because at the end of the day guys, only your decision. I'm not your financial advisor. After guys, click the link below, join the future guys, namely follow them everywhere, and on that way you can be really involved with Flexafina. Remember to comment down below and smash that like, share and subscribe, it means a lot. That was a crypto show and I'll catch you in the next video.